Good day. I will discuss watertight integrity and its importance in a ship. Watertight integrity is the ability of a ship to prevent water from entering or spreading inside, keeping it safe and stable. Watertight means area below the deck that can reset water pressure, while watertight means are above the deck that prevent water from entering during bad weather. The main components are watertight bulkheads and closing appliances like ventilators and portholes. It is important for safety, stability, and cargo protection. It is prevent flooding, keep the ship balance, and protect goods. If not maintained, it can cause flooding, capsizing, and damage. That is why watertight integrity is very important to every ship. And that's all. Thank you.